Twin waterfall, and yeah, look around me. This place beautiful. Look at those hills covered with clouds. Absolutely beautiful, man. Someone's already climbing up there. I'm not taking a risk. Call me shy or whatever, but yeah, it's like rather not. Been known to falling down, prone to it as well. Look at it there as well. Super pretty. Let's look down and see what's here. Oh, so the waterfall like comes up from comes down from there, and I think there's more up. There's more to see up there. Actually, this is beautiful. Stunning views. Alpha's there, all in dirt. That's all right. Just gonna take a little walk. Definitely need a little walk. As long as I don't slip. I look like a mess, I'm sorry. I got wet in the rain. My hair looks. I look like a homeless person.